Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the brewery now that we finished kind of the new tap room. We moved some things around because we wanted to, now we're able to have people in here, we wanted to make sure there was enough room. And before it was pretty tight quarters. I think we had enough seats for like 15 people maybe. Now we have quite a bit more.
We'll just put a mark where the top goes.
Yeah, perfect. Just so we know.
Jen's like stuck in behind the
Well, it'll get a lot closer with her and behind than me. Yeah. So yeah, and then
What do you think? For what? What are you doing?
That's
This way, fridge.
But you can't. Then you'd block getting cans out, wouldn't you?
A little bit of play this way. But that's
I think we shove it in.
okay.
Yeah, one of those racks is good.
Watch out.
Yeah.
The chaos ensue.
I gotta get some music playing here. This is why I stare at things so long. Because now I can hear myself arguing with myself.
Oh, the full name.
Fire kid.
Doo-dee-doo. What about facing it yeah, that way?
Go there. I mean, people are encouraged.
We don't want people.
We're scrap deal. I think we do scrap deal bar idea there.
And just put retail.
Well,
in there.
I'll put a bar there to use for serving, but these shelves could be underneath it, right along there.
With
right
retail.
to the door there. Actually, this is
No, but we want people to go up to the bar.
and trip on some. Oh, look, a T-shirt. It's just
Impulse buying. That's impulse buying.
Right at the bill. I like that. Even if I end up, we could even put I could put a shelf under there for growlers so that they're easy to fill quick. And this is more display or
Or it could be
overflow.
Yeah, that's a good idea because then they're tucked away.
And then people.
Yeah, that's my only. Because glass and cement don't mix.
Yeah,
Tucked right there. And then you don't have to worry about anybody getting near the drain.
Yeah, Jen, when you have time to clean up the barn and you find that piece, that'd be great. Okay. Yes.
that's why I can't find it. Jen alphabetized
Is it under
And I'm not
G
sure
for
what-
great
I'm
or
not sure
M
what
for
she
metal
thought it
thingy?
was.
Yes. G for great, M for metal thingy. Which one, Jen?
Open for interpretation.
Yeah. So some of the retail space is still the same, like the shirts and stuff are still hanging on the walls. But now we have this awesome spot for people to sit. So David made these really cool bar stools. David, Jen, Jack, myself, I guess. I don't know how much I helped, but new bar tables made out of wood, local wood. Or no, was this local wood, or this might be from the skids again still. I don't know. But anyway, really cool. Kind of gives that a little bit more seating. The bar, we kind of moved around. This stayed the same, but then we added this section to the end and moved all of our retail space over here. So anything you want to buy retail-wise as far as merch, brewery merch is concerned, is now located on the one side of the building, which is really nice. Kind of gives that option of keeping things separate. Beer fridge is stocked and full. David worked really hard on this, and it was really nice to have that option to have people seated. Table next to the fermenters. And then we have these really cool stand-up tables. Because we brew in here, sometimes these tables need to be able to be moved. The solution that we came up with was to have tables that are movable and just stand-up tables for people to come back here and sit down at. Or stand up at and have their beers. So it works for when we have larger crowds of people coming in. We can kind of usher them back here. Yes, they have to stand, but generally speaking, if they're in a large group, they don't really care. So that's kind of a fun little thing. So yeah, that's the new brewery, or the new tap room. So now that you've had a little tour, we are in spring season here, so lambing is actually happening. We had the shearer out, and he managed to get all the sheep done, which is amazing, right before lambing happened. I am very tempted to learn how to shear myself. The shearing got done. It's very difficult for me to find shearers that want to come out and do just, like, I only have 12 sheep to do. And it's kind of a waste of their time, and I completely understand that because there's not a lot here. However, it does need to get done still. And so what I'm finding is I need to be able to do this myself, I think. Eventually in the future, and I'm not saying it's gonna be this year or next year, I am gonna take a shearing course, and I think it just makes most sense for us. We never plan on having more than 20 sheep here, so it is more of a hobby for us than anything else. We put them in the hop yard to help with the weeds, and that is it. So, and of course we send them to market when we have lambs. It just makes sense to make some profit off of them. It's not really even profit, it basically covers some of the feed for the year, and that is it. So yeah, anyway, the shearer was out and our first lambs were born this year. It's been amazing. Winston's losing it. Here you go, guys. First lambs, 2022. Good job, Mama. You good job. So there you go. First lambs born 2022. Twins, a boy, a girl. They would be Rusty or Barley's babies. Rusty and Barley were in with all of the older girls, and Noah was in with all the younger girls. So we'll see what happens there. There's one that missed, as far as I know. She could be very, very late. in birthing, but hopefully not. Hopefully she just missed and we'll catch her next time. Now I'm just gonna go watch these two fools drive around in the cow pasture for a little while. And then I'm going to eat because I'm starving. Nosy Parker over there. What are you doing? This is not good.
What do you got there? Supply chain issues. Appropriate. Thanks. Thanks, Phil.
Where's it from?
Job Site Brewing Company.
Where are they?
I might have had a quick visit with Phil in Stratford today.
So there's an issue here
Cheers,
with the
Phil.
fence.
Yeah, why did you, was that from you trying to get through it?
Very funny. We might have to repair this sooner than you'd like.
I think so. You should go get the clamps and do that. While I drink a beer and drink
Watch,
a shield.
watch when you leave. Don't trip the cows.
Get out of here. Why is it always you? Why always you?
It moves. She's not gonna move. Oh, she moved. Now she's mad at it. What happened there? All in all, a pretty good day. Tired. I'm definitely tired. I've been getting up every morning, worried that the lambs have come and I've missed something. Hadn't missed a thing. And then today, I go get groceries. And of course, the lambs start coming. Story of my life. However, the lambs are beautiful. She did a great job. No complications, obviously, because they were on the ground when I got back. They weren't when I left. All in all, a good day. Let's see if any more come by the end of today. I've given everybody their feed, done regular barn chores a little bit earlier today, and I'll go back out probably around 9 or 10 tonight just to kind of check on things, and then up early again tomorrow morning. Our nanny cam, our barn cam, quit on us. So I gotta do it the old-fashioned way, which sucks. We have been working solidly on trying to get our house renovations done. These renovations started probably, I don't know, 15 years ago when we bought the place. It just hasn't been something we've had time to do. And we started a few renovations probably about 6 years ago. The bathroom being one of them. We finished that this year. We started a few, probably not 6 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, we ripped out our, the one room that we turned into our mudroom, opened it right up. So we finished most of that now. We're not going to put flooring down until next year.
Step 1,
Yeah,
wake up, really gonna rise
like
with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Mac was 3.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every
David's done,
different season, yo.
what, like 4
Sometimes
rooms
I'm
and a
high,
half?
other
No,
times I'm
what?
barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison you ride. Head full of thoughts, so she come to clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got visions. Day at a time, I'm starting walking through the gates. You show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that comes with translation. I know that I like to do it just a sensation. I live my life in my head like a million. Don't expect greatness to my bed, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake
Finally.
up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I feel like you've accomplished something.
Another 8 years from now, I can take flow.
Yeah. Nope. Nope. I'm going to buy it tomorrow.
No, you're not.
So I finished all of the caulking last night, and now we've moved on to painting, which is my favorite. It's like therapy. For me, anyway. I know some people hate it. Trim work, painting trim work is not my favorite, but I still love it because it's like immediate gratification. It's, you see the results right away. So behind me, you'll see I've already started. First coat. But this is what I have left to do. Boop, 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 boop. So hopefully I can get first coat on this today. And then since I'm almost out of paint, tomorrow I'll have to go get some more. That's okay. And done. Well, this part anyway. So I did this kind of amazing thing. It was like a huge honor for me to be included in this. Lucky for me, I have a friend who some of you all know, I won't say who it is, who put in a good word for me at a magazine. And this magazine has been something I've kind of had my eye on for a while now. Mainly because all of the women that are in this magazine, I really look up to. These are all very powerful women in the agricultural world. And not necessarily the agricultural world, but kind of in that realm of thinking. Super motivational people, super business-oriented women who aren't afraid to take that step forward. And these are all women that really help to lift up other women in their community and in the world, really. So I was asked to be a feature in a magazine, which I did kind of keep hush-hush because I didn't know how it was going to go. I was really nervous about it. When I got the phone call from Jan and Aaron from Trailblazer is the name of the magazine, to be in this magazine, I was like over the moon, and I was like, this can't be real. So I actually thought it was a scam at first until I talked to Jan and Aaron, and then I was like, oh, this is actually happening. So I'm a feature in the spring issue 2022. If you do not subscribe to this magazine, I highly recommend it. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, this magazine is absolutely amazing. It is chock full of interesting stories, incredibly interesting women, all sorts of agricultural fields, and just definitely business-oriented people. Like, it's just amazing. Anyway, I was just blown away with the fact that I get to be in this magazine. So we had to have a photographer come out and take professional pictures of me. I'm not very photogenic, in case you didn't know. I have a really hard time posing for pictures or smiling for pictures, or I just feel awkward, and I'm sure 100 other people do. It's just my thing. But Brady Carmichael is who came out and did my pictures for me. Lil Ree Photography. If you have not checked out her page, Instagram, Facebook, and I believe I know she has a website as well. I will include it in the link below, as a link below in the comments. She is absolutely amazing at what she does, and she made me feel like a queen. Like, she was awesome, and the pictures turned out amazing. The article is awesome. Anyway, if you have a chance, I will leave a link to Trailblazer's website in the description of the video so that you can check it out. Jan and Aaron do an amazing job of finding women who are amazing. There's no other word for it. They are really good at bringing out the best in what a woman represents for her company, for her farm, for her business, for her family, for her friends. And I cannot say enough good things about them. They are super, super women. So Jan and Aaron, kudos to you, man, because you women are amazing, 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 amazing. I can't say enough good things about these people. So yes, definitely make sure you check it out. I will do a little slideshow of the pictures right now. So that wraps up this video, guys. Make sure that you're getting out there and enjoying some of this beautiful spring sunshine. After the long winter that we've had, at least here, it's really nice to be able to get outside again and have those sun rays beaming down on you. Make sure that if you like what you saw today, you hit the like button, subscribe so you can see future videos, and share with your friends so they can see them too. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. prime ribs.
Delicious.
Okay, well, staining officially freaks me out.
Rub it harder.
Shut up.